Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Nissan 1.0 DIG-T HR10DT and HR10DDT engines are members of the HR family of engines developed by Nissan in conjunction with Renault and, in some cases, Mercedes-Benz. These are modern, small-displacement, turbocharged three-cylinder petrol engines designed for efficiency and meeting current emission standards. Let's break down the review, opinions, advantages, disadvantages, faults, breakdowns, fuel consumption, timing, oil, versions, and history of these engines. Overview and history. The HR series of engines features continuously variable valve timing and an aluminum block and head. The 1.0 DIG-T engines are part of the 78mm series of the HR family, with a bore of 78mm. HR10DT. This engine is typically associated with a power output around 100 PS, 74 kilowatts. It has been used in models like the Nissan Micra, K14, and Nissan Almera. It often features mirror bore coating technology, a low-friction coating adapted from the Nissan GDRS V6 engine to improve heat conduction and cooling. HR10DDT. This is a direct injection, turbocharged version, typically offering higher power outputs, around 114 to 117 PS, 84 to 86 kilowatts. It's found in vehicles like the Nissan Juke F16 and some versions of the Nissan Micra and Renault Captur 2. These engines represent a trend towards smaller, turbocharged engines, downsizing, to improve fuel economy and reduce emissions while still providing adequate performance for urban and compact vehicles. Review and opinions. General opinions on these 1.0 DIG-T engines are mixed, often depending on the specific vehicle they're installed in and driver expectations. Advantages. Fuel efficiency. One of the primary advantages of these small, turbocharged engines is their potential for good fuel economy, especially in lighter vehicles and under gentle driving conditions. Nissan claims figures around 5.4 L/100 km NEDC for the HR10DT and the Almera. Low emissions. Being modern engines, they're designed to meet strict emission standards like Euro 6. Compact and lightweight. Their small size and aluminum construction contribute to overall vehicle weight reduction, which also aids fuel efficiency and handling. Decent torque for displacement. Despite their small size, the turbocharger helps them produce a reasonable amount of torque at lower RPMs compared to naturally aspirated engines of similar displacement, making them feel more responsive in city driving. For example, the HR10DT can produce 152 Newton-meters of torque between 2,400 to 4,000 RPM. The HR10DDT can produce up to 200 Newton-meters. Disadvantages. Perceived lack of power. In heavier vehicles like the Nissan Juke, some users find the 1.0L engine to be woefully underpowered or gutless below 2,000 RPM, requiring more aggressive driving to keep it in its power band. This can be exacerbated when paired with certain automatic transmissions, e.g. DCT in the Juke, which some find to be unresponsive or poorly matched. Noise and vibration. Being three-cylinder engines, they can sometimes exhibit more vibration and a less refined sound compared to four-cylinder engines, especially under acceleration. Some describe the sound as like a 90s diesel. Real-world fuel consumption. While laboratory figures might be impressive, real-world fuel economy can vary significantly, especially if the engine is frequently pushed hard. Some users report averages around 30 mpg, around 7.8 L/100 km, in mixed driving, which might be higher than expected. Long-term durability concerns. As with many downsized, turbocharged engines, there are often concerns about long-term durability and wear-on components due to higher stresses compared to larger, naturally aspirated engines. Common faults and breakdowns, general to small turbocharged engines. While specific widespread issues for the HR10DT and HR10DDT are not extensively documented in common public forums, some general concerns for small, turbocharged direct injection petrol engines include carbon buildup. Direct injection engines can be susceptible to carbon buildup on intake valves, as fuel is injected directly into the cylinder and doesn't wash over the valves. This can lead to reduced performance and efficiency over time. Turbocharger issues. Turbochargers operate at high temperatures and RPMs, making them potential points of failure, especially if maintenance schedules are not adhered to. Timing chain wear. While generally designed for the lifetime of the engine, some timing chains in modern engines can be prone to premature wear, leading to noise or timing issues. Regular oil changes with the correct specification are crucial here. High-pressure fuel pump, HPFP, issues. Direct injection systems rely on HPFPs, which can be a point of failure in some engines. Ignition system problems. Spark plugs and ignition coils can be under higher stress in turbocharged engines, leading to misfires or rough running if not maintained. It's important to note that these are general potential issues for modern engines of this type and not necessarily specific, widespread defects in the HR10DT/DDT. Nissan generally has a good reputation for reliability, but regular maintenance is key for these more complex small engines. Fuel consumption. As mentioned, theoretical fuel consumption figures are often good, with Nissan quoting around 5.0 to 5.4 L/100 km combined, NEDC/WLTP equivalent, for models like the Almera and Juke with these engines. However, real-world consumption can be higher, especially under spirited driving, due to the need to work the small engine harder. Factors like driving style, road conditions, and vehicle weight significantly impact actual mileage. Timing. The HR family engines, including the HR10DT and HR10DDT, typically use a timing chain rather than a timing belt. Timing chains are generally designed to last the life of the engine and do not require regular replacement like belts. However, as noted above, they can sometimes experience premature wear, leading to rattling noises. Proper oil maintenance is critical for timing chain longevity. Oil. Due to their turbocharged nature and direct injection, these engines require specific engine oil that meets Nissan's recommendations. This usually means a fully synthetic oil with a low viscosity, e.g. 0W, 20, or 5W30, and specific ACA or API classifications, e.g. ACA-C3, API-SN/SP, that are suitable for modern turbocharged engines, offering good protection against wear, high temperatures, and low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise oil specifications and recommended change intervals. Oil capacities are typically around 4.1 to 4.8 liters. Versions. As discussed, the HR10DT and HR10DDT are both 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder, 12-valve DOHC turbocharged engines. The main distinction lies in their power output and specific applications. HR10DT, generally around 100 PS, 74 kilowatts, and used in models like the Nissan Micra and Almera. HR10DDT, typically around 114 to 117 PS, 84 to 86 kilowatts, with direct injection, found in the Nissan Juke and some higher-spec Micra and Renault Captur models. Within these designations, there might be minor variations in tuning or software, depending on the specific vehicle and model year. In summary, the Nissan 1.0 DIG-T HR10DT and HR10DDT engines are examples of modern downsizing in the automotive industry. They offer good fuel efficiency and decent performance for their size, especially in urban environments. However, their small displacement can lead to a perceived lack of power in larger vehicles and potential refinement issues. Like all modern, complex engines, proper maintenance with the correct fluids is essential for their longevity. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.